Hey guys, welcome back to Doug's Basic Workshop. If you guys could do me a favor before we go too far into this, I'm trying to get myself monetized so I can do more videos for you guys. It would be really helpful for me if you would hit the like and subscribe button now. And now I will go on and talk about the other stuff, but it would really help me out and I'd really appreciate it. Because I love you guys who watch me on YouTube. A lot of people in my community use sign language for many reasons. Not all of them are deaf or hard of hearing or unable to speak. But I live in a community that has a great deal of people with different kinds of disabilities and abilities, and sign language is kind of a thing here. So, we're going to do some more of the I Love You coasters because I sell quite a few of them at the farmer's market. This is a sheet of my Baltic birch plywood that I buy off of Amazon. I'll drop you a link down below. I covered it with both sides with tape, and I burnished it down with my high-tech burnishing tool, a spatula. That's all I do, guys. Just burnish it down. Make sure there's no bubbles in it. Make sure it's nice and tight. Do you have to? I don't know. I have been because I was having issues with the tape peeling up and stuff. I wasn't doing it at the beginning. The more I've been rubbing the tape down and making sure it sticks really well, it's 100 times better for me. So I've been doing it that way. So let's lay it out and get these coasters going. I made one set earlier today, and I now have the farmhouse to myself, and I'm doing some more videos. So let's lay this out and throw it in the laser. Okay guys, like I told you last time, this isn't my computer, so we're just not going to be doing screen recording. We're going to be doing it the old-fashioned way with a camera in front of the screen. How fun! So we're making the I Love You coaster, like I showed you. And I'm going to drop this in 2 times. Why? So I'm using old school cut and paste here, guys. Curl C, curl V. Now, I've learned that if I drop this piece of art 2 times, because your laser goes back and forth, so the less distance it has to travel, the faster that it gets stuff done. So if it doesn't have to travel from here all the way across the screen, I'm going to cut my lasering time by about 5 minutes doing this. So it's just going to travel this far, then it's going to travel here and travel here. And we're actually going to move that up there so they don't overlap at all. There we go. Alright, so now it's going to travel here, travel this section here, and it's going to travel these and these. Should be pretty quick and easy. Now, I have one little piece here that I have to throw in from another project. It was a leftover piece that I need for something. Alright, and I do a lot of my stuff on stitch marker settings. I don't use the preset Glowforge for the material that I have set. I'm using what I call my stitch marker. It's my basic setting for engraving. The speed is 900. My power is 79. Lines per inch are 225. It's in 1 pass, and my set focus is 0.108. And that is the preset for this material. This is what 99.9% of my engraving is done on, unless I forget to change the settings, in which case I'm sad and frustrated. And you can see over here is my metal plate, and it's got the little tag that I made so I can have the presets for my cutting. And that's it. Alright, let's go run this and see how it comes out. So I know people have a real thing about peeling the tape. Ooh. One more piece. There you go, guys. And why do we put tape on the back? So we don't have this flash burning. So that's why we're going to tape the back on stuff. There it is. Quick, simple, and awesome little coasters. Yes, this is the same shape design that Glowforge has, but this is a 4-inch from edge to edge. Is 4 inches because that's what most of my other coasters are, my cherry ones that I make. So I took their idea and made it adapt to what my business does. Why do I have the files laid out? Well, because it makes life easier. I don't have to try and drop it in there each time and line it up. Alright guys, thanks for watching. We're just going to dip these in oil, put feet on them, and we're done. Remember, like, subscribe, and come back next time. We'll have another video soon for you.